IRDA has, I think, intervened, and there is some advisory which has been recently issued. But then the important point is about how these exposures have been supported by the reinsurers. So we have to look into the reinsurance support of each and every different companies who are resorting into this type of means reducing the rates to very phenomenal, providing very huge discounts, because usually what happens that the other lines of business were getting a financial leveraging based on this fire business, but now it is happening other way around, that because in the other line of business people are having comfortable position, so discounting is given in the fire portfolio. So this thing is happening, and I am very much hopeful that once the new accounting standard comes from next year, and then every cohort would be analyzed differently and all. So probably during those time, when the accountability and responsibility will be there for different types of cohorts. So I think the boards of various companies would definitely take a look at it, and that's how I think their future business plans will be affected.
Sir, do you think that there is a lack of level playing field when it comes to commission and distribution cost among PSU and private players, which need to be addressed, and some sort of expectations you have from upcoming distribution and commission reforms?
No, after the advent of this limiting the overall limit to 30% of expenses of management, of 30% of the overall premium, I think to a large extent the play field has been leveled, and now even every company has a discretion to calculate or pay the intermediary charges as it suits them. So many of the companies have been using it to strategize their marketing efforts.
But the regulator is again thinking about to change the single limit EOM also, so that may have some impact.
Yes. So when it was there was a limit to the commissions, actually there were a lot of malpractices which actually surfaced out also. Many very reputed companies also were found to be indulging in some shortcuts, and if that earlier thing can be avoided, then okay, there is a case that intermediary charges can be reduced. But I feel that the current system was working reasonably well, and the overall issue is actually the sustainability part. And if the companies can plan themselves and can behave responsibly and can always maintain their sustainability, then I think that some freedom can be given to them to decide the intermediary charges, provided it doesn't add to the burden on the policyholders.